Action!
You will bring about the destruction of the German army. The elimination of Tatars over the oppressed peoples of Europe.
Tunga mo niya?
And security for ourselves.
Take hold. Take charge. Take charge.
Your task will not be an easy
May
one.
memory to.
Your enemy is well trained, well equipped, and battle hardened. You will fight them. But it is the year 1944. Much has happened since the Nazi triumph of 1940 to 41. The United Nations have been stated. The Germans' great defeat in open battle man to man. Our air offensive has seriously reduced in the air, with their capacity to wage war on the ground. Our home fronts have given us an overwhelming superiority in weapons and munitions of war, and placed at our disposal great reserves of trained fighting men. The tide has turned. The women of the world are marching together to victory. I have full confidence in your courage, devotion to duty, and skill in battle. We will accept nothing less than full victory. Good luck, and let us all beseech the blessing of Almighty God upon this great and noble undertaking.